Our group is Info3600 Project Null, and our project is to deliver Veggie Tracker mobile application. This is overview of client requirements, which is concluded in the following 10 statements. We've completed each of them, and is explained in detail in following sections. And this is overview of the whole project. In total, we have already through the stories, and for each week, we come up with different releases. We choose Ionic to be the framework for our project. The reason is it has multi-platform support, which means you just need to develop your application once, and Ionic will pack your files into an application for different systems. In addition, it's written in JavaScript, which makes it easy to learn. Finally, you're able to edit files in both PC and Mac. And here's the quality of the work done. Let's take an example of our key user story. As a user, I want to be able to log my vegetable intake. To do this, we record user vegetable intake in Firebase and retrieve it when it's needed. And here's the actual code, the JavaScript code we use to achieve this function. In addition, we use test-driven development to develop our project. The tool we use for unit test is Jasmine and QUnit. And how we do this is that we will write Jasmine code first, and we will try to, of course, at the beginning, the test will always gonna fail. And then we try to improve our code and try to pass the test. And last, after all the tests has passed, the project is successfully done. And here is Jasmine code we've written for testing search function in veggie intake page. And here's the result of unit test. In total, we have 35 unit tests with zero failure. For those functions we're unable to write unit test, we use manual test to ensure all functions are achieved. What after unit test is acceptance test. The tool we use for that is iMacro. We use acceptance test to ensure the features all work well. And in total, 32 acceptance tests has been tested. Let's take an example of login. And the left-hand side is the login instruction for user. User needs to input username and password, click login, and then he or she should be successfully logged in. And right-hand side is the actual iMacro code and performance for this testing. You can see this login function is successfully delivered. And let's take a walkthrough of highlights. An example can be log vegetable intake. If you want to record your daily vegetable intake, click Veggie Intake button. Then in search bar, input the vegetable you want to intake, maybe bean, butter. Input serves, 5 serves, select meal, dinner, click confirm. Then after you've selected all the vegetable you want to intake, click confirm. Okay. And your record is successfully stored. And here's the roles and responsibilities for our group. So this is the current roles and responsibilities. We distributed different tasks with different members to ensure all work can be done by someone. And this is the group interactions with our client. The tool we use to communicate with client is email and Skype. In addition, client meetings are held every 2 weeks to ensure client has our most up-to-date progress. And we can have client suggestions to improve our product.